Excuse me, today a conservative justice on the Wisconsin Supreme Court said she won't run for re-election. That opens a seat on the court that's controlled at 4-3 by liberals. Justice Rebecca Bradley's decision comes after conservative candidates for the highest court in the battleground state lost each of the past two elections by double-digit margins. Both of those races broke national spending records. In a statement, Bradley said, quote, "I believe the best path for me to rebuild the conservative movement and fight for liberty is not as a minority member of the court. The conservative movement needs to take stock of its failures."